15,000 followers in 90 days. That's what I was able to do on Clubhouse completely from scratch without a massive audience online already. And if you want to learn how to get more followers and grow your influence, then you're in the right place. The number one way that I've been able to grow my audience on Clubhouse is through collaborations. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you the exact steps that I took to grow my following so that you can do it too. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you the best kept secret to creating strategic Clubhouse collaborations. Tip number one, show up. You need to be on the app to grow. Next thing, be intentional with your time. Look at the rooms in the calendar ahead of time, and then the ones that you want to be a part of, save them. You can reach out to the moderators that are hosting those rooms to see if you can be a part of it, but I'll give you more about the outreach later. Next thing, go to the clubs that interest you, look at the members in that club, and then reach out to them to build rapport. You are finding people with common interests and future collaborators. This leads me to my next point, collaboration. When you go into a room, make sure that you follow the people that you want to connect with and turn on the notifications so that you're notified every time that they spin up a room. Doing this will also help you learn their hosting style. But don't forget to do your due diligence. Make sure that you check out their other social media accounts and make sure that you also just Google them. And then you can find out if there's someone worth collaborating with. Clubhouse is not the only place to find collaborations. Look at the other Facebook groups or communities that you're already a part of. Then post in there to see who else is on Clubhouse that you may want to collaborate with. A common question that I get asked is, what if I want to collaborate with someone who has a much larger following than me? That's okay. I got you. The first thing you can do is reach out to people that do have the larger following and ask them if you can interview them. When you interview them, make sure that you're asking great questions. While you're on stage with them, make sure that you're also adding in your own tips so that you can be seen as a subject matter expert. The benefits of this is that you're associated with their brand and expertise, and their audience gets notified so that the room grows. Another way that you can get people with larger audiences to collaborate with you is by hosting a fundraiser. This is a great way to get them involved with the cause that they believe in. The key to getting the yes is all about how you reach out to people. When reaching out, make sure that you're doing this through the Instagram or Twitter DM. I like to record a voice note or a video and not a canned message. That way, I can bring up something that resonated with me in another room that I heard them in. The last thing I want you to remember is make it easy on them. Already have a topic in mind when you reach out and have a way that you're going to market it and get it to an audience. So I know you're probably wondering, how do I keep track of all of this? Don't worry, I can help you with that. You're going to want to create a spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, you want to put the name of the room that you were in, the moderator that was in that room along with their handle, the topics that you feel would be a good fit for the both of you to collaborate on, and you want to keep track of the days that you made contact with them so that you can easily follow up. I know this could be a little intimidating, but I got you. Watch this video on how you can grow your room, or check out this video that I think that you might like. Either way, I'll see you in the next one.